Hey guys, my flight got canceled this morning, so I figured I'd make a short video because I was working on the August ad for the corporate stores. This video is going to be on the importance of commenting on your own ads in addition to replying to everybody and inviting them to like the page. Being the top comment on your own ad only helps with with reputation management. At times, what Facebook will do when you do a comment on your own post is it will push it to the top. So if we click on more comments here, it's going to come up and then it will show the top 2 comments are from us, and then there's all the other people who I have to reply to and invite them to like the page. So anyway, these comments also protect yourself from negative comments when you're not readily available to manage those comments, whether hide or delete them. And one of the big problems that Jiffy Lube had when they first started doing Facebook posts were they would do these national campaigns, and the Facebook post would have hundreds, sometimes thousands of comments, and the first 50 comments would be negative because they would get pushed to the top because people would interact with those ones the most, and they did absolutely no customer reputation management. They just let it fly. They didn't hide those comments. They didn't delete them. Meineke took an interesting approach recently where they just delete every single comment. So you will see in this area right here, it'll say 200 comments, but then when you get to the comments, none will actually show. I think that's an interesting approach. I think I like leaving comments up when possible. I also like leaving up negative comments from time to time. So there was this one where Nick Thomas said that it's not cheaper at the dealer unless you have 5 quarts or less. It costs $60 with 70 quarts. The dealer will rotate tires for $80. So basically he's saying that without the tire rotation, the $20 extra is, a value add. But I disagree with his premise, but in any case, I'm going to leave this comment up. Someone actually replied, and then we replied, fortunately for others, 85% of cars on the road are 5 quarts or less and take spin on filters. So this aspect of customer reputation management is super important. That being said, when people do go to the comment section, these will be the first 2 things. We use the GIF button to create animation within the comments. Again, where it's about stopping people from scrolling. You need to get their attention. And so it's just a really easy hack to avoid some negativity and to get a second message across. There's multiple reasons to want to do this. By the way, if anyone's wondering where I am, I'm in a Minute suite here at BWI, Baltimore Washington International Airport. If any of you travel, I highly suggest, if you have a priority pass, booking these rooms. It's pretty awesome. I'm able to get some work done. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you guys later.